So yes, the try has been awarded. There's a bit of doubt there, but TC Patana drawing first blood soon as the second half started. Good to see. This is more like TC Patana that we used to seeing. Dharmaraj need to get the act together. Yes, they are missing two players. Shinbind, but one of them is due soon. Playing in the 13-man team, but that is not an excuse. Kamath will take on the responsibilities of converting the try, and his fortune is not any better than of Hiranta Pereira. So just 5 points added. That is rather easy conversion as well. So 10 points to 5. Isipatana leading Dharmaraja. Isipatana 10, Dharmaraja 5. We had just started the second half. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us here on the Score.lk. Pleasure to bring you the live pictures from the Royal Sports Complex. Milo President's Trophy. Dharmaraja versus Isipatana. Runners-up Isipatana from last year's President's Trophy. The Score.lk bringing these pictures to you in association with the Nestle Lanka. Fabulous to have them on board. Brilliant folks, brilliant people. Restart by Dharmaraja. Big kick, far end of the field, and not at all any good for his forwards to cover up. Bit of collects but goes into touch with the kick. So Isipatana now making giant leaps forward and showing what they're really made of, and it's high time that they did so, I believe. Crowd getting right behind them. Not a clean line out, but that'll do. Isipatana still running, now chipping. They figured out that Dharmaraja don't have anyone at the back. They don't employ the fullback right at the far end of the field. This is what Isipatana has been known to do for quite a long time. They are so used to kicking the ball deep and then chasing. They've done it time and time again over so many years, and finally we are seeing a reminiscence of that Isipatana here in the second half. Now the Shinbind player looks to come back in for Dharmaraja. Yes, he's back. So are they at full strength now? Let's have a look. Seem to be. I think Dharmaraja is at full strength now. Man on deck for Dharmaraja now. Doctor on the field. Don't quite know what has happened, but the clock has been stopped as well, showing a bit of concern, the referee as well. We'll have to wait and see what this is all about. Stretcher being called for. Yes, they are calling for the stretcher, so it doesn't look that good for Dharmaraja. Supporters right behind the team though. So the player being stretchered off, and fresh legs on the field. Replacements for Dharmaraja. Scrum down. Dharmaraja feed. Number 8 break by Lochana, but held in his tracks. Good defense by Isipatana. Ball coming out Dharmaraj way, irrespective of that. He looks to be opting for a box kick. Yes, Ramov, a fullback rather, does it and chases his own ball. Goes for a big tackle, steps aside, does Isipatana fullback. Now he's sprinting away. He's finding holes in the Dharmaraj defense with utmost ease here. Now, chips yet again. There is no one covering the ball there. Knocked forward in the attempt of scoring. So Dharmaraj looking a bit unsettled here. Beginning of the second half, they played really well in the first half. They keep their composure and selves together. They should be able to make something out of this game. It's been an enthralling contest so far. Fabulous game indeed. Lot of argy-bargy, but a good game nevertheless. Good rugby on the field as well. 22-meter restart, goes out on the full. Not good news for Dharmaraj. Continuing to falter now here in the second half. What will Isipatana opt to do? Skipper's getting a lot of advice. Not quite sure what the skipper would make of it. That's come down at the 20-meter mark, 22-meter mark. Ball comes out cleanly for Isipatana. Now looking to work some set plays. Good work cutting in. Offloads, just about manages to find a support player. Good at the breakdown still. Isipatana. Arun Kumar steps aside. That's what he's good at. That is the Arun Kumar we all know. Here he goes. Easy does it. Scores right underneath the post. Isipatana are on the field, folks. They are on the field. 5 points on the board. Easy does it. Fabulous work, Arun Kumar. Conversion from Hiranta Pereira, and he finally gets one through. So 7 points added, 17 points to 5. Isipatana leading Dharmaraj. We are in the first 10 minutes of the second half. Dharmaraj now falling behind. Restart once again, very deep. Not quite sure what his intentions are, kicking the ball so deep, especially when Isipatana keep running at you like that. So they are not supporting his own body weight. Error on the part of Isipatana. Dharmaraj, chance to get out of jail. Looking to go for the 3 points. Interesting decision, enterprising decision. 35 meters from the uprights. It's quite straight, not much of an angle, but quite a distance away, 35 meters almost. He's got the legs. Has he got the direction? Yes, he has. Brilliant kick. Fabulous work. 3 points added. Responding to the Isipathana onslaught. I don't think Isipathana felt it that much, but it will do. Fabulous. Good for Dharmaraj's spirit and mentality. Finally got some points on the board in the second half. Now need to look to go forward from here. Isipathana with the restart. Hirantha Pereira. Underneath the high ball, collected well, but big defense coming his way as well. Has it been turned over? Seems to be. Yes, it has. Isipathana have the ball now. Now, set play in promotion. Tips through the middle. Good work here by Isipathana. Now looking very agile and very much like the speedy Isipathana we know. Terrible offload, but there is a player to cover up. Looks to the blind side. Arun Kumar still standing, warding off his defenders. Isipathana still with ball in hand, still on the offensive. Chips, wants to chase. Will he succeed? No, he doesn't. Dharmaraj player getting there in the nick of time. Dharmaraj looking a bit clueless now. Been on the receiving end of a good aggressive offensive phase of play by Isipathana ever since the second half started. Good work indeed. Restart now, right into the center of the field. Nobody's chasing it. Hirantha underneath and collects. Finds space, will find space. Stops in his tracks to re-evaluate, but then held up by the Dharmaraj defense. Has it been stolen? Yes, it has. Now fighting for the ball. This is interesting. Finally gets to ground. Yes, good work by Isipathana. Held the Dharmaraj player up. Good bit of work. They lost it, but now have regained it. Good scrum by Dharmaraj, but still Arun Kumar coming out with it. Beautiful number 8 break there. Good support by the flanker. Finally taken to ground. Good work at the breakdowns by Isipathana. Still on the offensive. There you go. Pressure. Good pressure by Dharmaraj. Coming out with the ball. And now an opportunity to get out of jail. What will they make out of this? Kick. Not finding touch, finds the win 3. Isipathana win 3. Now the full back looking for space, taken down, knocked forward. Good officiating by referee Nimali. Was there, right there to see what transpired. Scrum already in motion. Dharmaraj has come up a bit late to get into things, but no harm done. Here's a set play from Dharmaraj. A good bit of work. Offloads in the nick of time. Good pass there. There is space on the outside. Cuts in now. Held up, but support on its way. Good bit of work. Good offensive play by Dharmaraj. Finding a burst of life now. Terrible offload. I'm not quite sure whether that was intended to go to the prop forward, but nevertheless, still ball in hand. Goes to the breakdown, comes out good. Not the best of offloads, chips, and now Dharmaraja playing Isipathana's game. A pace on the outside. Good kick nevertheless. Didn't find his man, but good kick. Finds touch in a really attacking position for Dharmaraja to now contest at the line out. Contested, but not good enough. But Isipathana, Cardinal there. And now scrum down for Dharmaraja. Dharmaraja feed, attacking position. They will want to make optimum use of it. They will want to score from here. They desperately need to do so. Lochana still on his feet, wards off, doesn't make that good a break for it though. Now slowing things down a bit. Need to get rid of the ball as soon as possible. Prop forward, big hit, he's there, needs support, there is support. Needs to get rid of the ball soon. Tries to go on the tight end. Still there, Dharmaraja, still there. Will they look for the blind side? No, too many people there. Good work there. Still ball with Dharmaraja. There's space on the outside. There are people on the outside. And there is a try to be taken, and they take it. Brilliant bit of work. Fabulous set play. Good presence of mind. Good sense of awareness. And 5 points on the board. Dharmaraja are back. Looks good, is good. 7 points on the board, folks. Brilliant bit of work. Would you believe it? 17 points to 15. Isipathana still in the lead over Dharmaraja, but only just a mere 2 points. Isipathana College 17, Dharmaraja College 15. We got a crackerjack of a game on our hands, folks. Stay tuned. Quick restart by Isipathana. Now this is a far better kick, enough time for the defense to get there. Ball stolen, and stolen again by Dharmaraja. Lochana makes a break for it. Taken down eventually. Will he go for the box kick? Looks to be the case. Chips it rather. Chasing right behind it. And there it is. Pressure. Good pressure. Brilliant pressure. Knocks it forward. He's down. Because of that, he's taken a big hit on his torso. Will he be alright? Dharmaraja will be hoping so. He's done something to his leg. Think he's cramped it. Hopefully that will be the case. Brilliant bit of work. That's how you get a rugger right onto his field when he's on the ground. Just pull him up and slap him around and he'll be fine. Brilliant bit of work. Absolutely fabulous to watch. Good scrum. Lochana is undecided as to what he wants to do. Referee on the way, in the way rather, but no, here we go. Good covering defense eventually. Knocked on, but a good bit of work from both teams. Couple of players now limping and dragging, getting tired. This is where the technical staff, the coaching staff, the staff beyond the field, playing field, have to come into play and make conscious decisions. Good defense from Lochana. Lochana is everywhere. Lochana is omnipresent, but knocked forward unfortunately, and giving Isipatana a chance. Here he is. He's making a break for it. He's running. He's weaving his way across. There's still people following it. Good bounce for Dharmaraja. Now running with ball in hand. Dharmaraja win 3. Offloads. There is no support for his teammates. Stolen by Isipatana. This is too fast for me to keep in touch and keep up with it. But now slowing down a wee bit. Arun Kumar offloads. Intelligent offload there. Prop forward on his feet. He's taking a lot of people with him. Finally taken to ground. Arun Kumar still there. Good presence of mind, sense of awareness. Dharmaraja defense falling apart a bit. Lochana Ekanayaka not in the think of things. He's taking a wee break there, joining the line now ever so slowly. Man on deck for Dharmaraja. Goodness for Isipatana, because people are looking after him. You need to be in the game, son. Forget your mate for a minute. He'll be alright. Take care of that. Take care of business. Stop the try. Get out of jail and then look into your mate. Patana moving forward with the forwards now. Going with the burly lads. Front row. Doing business at the moment. Arun Kumar now held up, still held up. Will they look for knocked forward? Aye, right in front of the referee's eyes. Scrum-off decides to make a mockery of things, and now Dharmaraja opportunity to get out of jail. Will they take it? Good scrum from Isipatana, but space on the outside, winger on the outside, chips. He's chasing it. Good kick nonetheless, he's still chasing it. Just overshoots it. Now, counter, good defense. Fabulous, he's all over the place. Now, space on the outside. Still on his feet, taken down there. Man supporting, spreading the ball, whichever way they could possibly do. Bounce is good. Touches down. Now Isipatana with a golden opportunity, golden chance to make something out of it. 5-meter scrum. I think they have the stamina to outsmart Dharmaraja in the scrum. Arun Kumar, easy does it. Easy as you like. Oh boy, what will it take to stop this young lad? He is absolutely brilliant, fabulous to watch. Such a star he is. Fantabulous player for Isipatana. Scores again, second try of the game for Arun Kumar. And Isipatana draw ahead yet again. conversion to come. Conversion attempt now. Looks good. But he's not good. He had the legs but not the direction. So just 5 points added. Isipatana College 22. Dharmaraja 15. We still have a good game in hand. Isipatana ahead by a mere score rather. So restart coming from Dharmaraja now. We have good 16 minutes left on the clock, folks. Still game on. Now Isipatana spreading it wide. They've been doing that good and that has worked out well for them. Didn't quite do that in the first half. Nobody settling down under the ball, being chased. Goes into touch. Good kick nevertheless. Didn't have enough to for his mate to run and chase it, collect it, but finds touch. Dharmaraja will have a throw into the line out. Nothing to choose between the two teams as far as the line outs are concerned. Now Dharmaraja with the throw in. Front line out this for both teams. Just manages to step it forward. Good challenge by Isipatana as well. Offloads in the nick of time. Finds support. Release kick there. Right underneath the ball. Chips, chases. Good clean collection. Mark called. Good sense of awareness by the Dharmaraja player there. 22 points to 15. Isipatana College 22. Dharmaraja 15. Nothing to choose between the two teams, folks. Now running the ball, are they? Yes, they are. Surprise, surprise. Nobody expected that, and they've caught Isipatana off guard as well. But there's enough cover the far end of the field. Held in his tracks. Good work, good cover by Dharmaraja. In the business end of the game now. Big hit there. Almost a clothesline there. Thought about the box kick Hirante, but then offloaded. Arun Kumar now. It's been a menace to Dharmaraja. On his feet. He's so comfortable running with ball in hand. You have to give him that. Here we have space on the outside. Tired legs from Dharmaraja. It's quite evident now. They need to get some fresh legs on the park. But the bench does not seem to want to do that as yet. Want to keep their best 15 on the field. Good defense. Good, brilliant defense by the lock forward that dragged him out of the field of play. Brilliant to see. Fabulous to watch. Good game, folks. Absolutely brilliant. Line out Dharmaraja ball now. not quite sure whether that was the correct call. Good passage of play by Dharmaraja, but tired legs need to get some fresh legs on the field, Dharmaraja, but the bench seem to be happy with the starting 15 playing, getting the best 15 on the field as long as they could. How long can they carry on for? We'll have to wait and see. Ten minutes on the clock remaining. High ball, chasing. They're hoping for good bounce here. Two fresh legs on the field for Isipathana, chasing it down. Good covering there. This is what fresh legs can do. Stolen the ball, Isipathana. They have stolen it. And they score! And they score! Good bit of work. This is what fresh legs do. This is what they are brought in. This is why you need to have fresh players on the park, replacement players on the park, because when the first starting 15 get tired, they have to pitch in, and that's exactly what Isipathana have done. 5 more points on the board, and now the heads have dropped, the shoulders have dropped. Dharmaraja looking distraught. Conversion to come. Hiranta Perera to take it for Isipathana, and now I think Isipathana have done enough to come out on top. Hiranta Perera continues to have an off day with the boot. The kick falls right at the uprights, so just 5 points added. 27 points to Isipathana. Dharmaraja 15. We have 10 minutes on the clock, folks. Restart coming from Dharmaraja now. Restart goes deep, nobody's chasing it. Now fresh legs on the park for Dharmaraja. I wonder whether it's a bit too late. I believe it is. We'll have to wait and see. We got enough time for something to happen. Goes out on the full. Clearance kick goes out on the full. Very important line out there. Once again, doing the cheeky line out. Dharmaraja, worked out well for them the 2 times they've used it. Lochana goes for a hit, taken down. Has he been stolen? Quick tap taken. Chips is chasing it. Will there be a good bounce for him? And there. Isipathana player took it over. Dry line, says referee Limal. So scrum for Dharmaraja. We saw that happen to Isipathana as well. So Isipathana returning the favour in one way, you could say. Scrum. Lochana comes out. Walls off, but still held in his tracks. Isipathana stolen, ball stolen. Good work at the breakdowns there. Dharmaraja too slow in support. Thumps it down the field. Number 11, Dharmaraja underneath it, safe as a house. He's been good under the high ball. He's breaking free here. Tries to offload, but makes a mockery of it. Now, another kick, no one covering behind. Good kick there. Good kick under pressure. Sipatana get out of jail. Dharmaraja now. Chances looking bleaker by the moment. Good line out. Terrible pass, but good collection. Breaks free. He's found the gaps every now and again. Now, opportunity. Offloads. Good offload. Will he cut in? Yes, he does. Does he have support? No. Support needs to get there as soon as possible. Finally, ball comes out. Dharmaraja. There's no scrum off now. The tackler not releasing, says referee, not moving away. You have to get off once you make the tackle. Start supporting your own body weight and get back onto the breakdown. Space if they want to. Space if they want to. Looks for the outside. Aye. There you go. Chance gone begging. The moment he let go, his hands were on his head. There's only so much you can do once the deed is done. Scrum down for Isipatana. Feed in. Good work at the scrum there by Dharmaraja. And referee Nimal blows a long whistle. Heads hanging, shoulders drop, hands on hips. Disappointed faces for the Dharmaraja lads. They fought hard, but Isipatana coming out victorious at the end of the day. Arun Kumar to be thanked for, to a greater extent. Fabulous game he's had. Isipatana finally coming good in the second half. Isipatana College 27, Dharmaraja College 15. Isipatana make it to the finals of the Milo President's Trophy 2012. Thank you for joining us here at the Score.lk.